In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate surrounding music from a clean audio clip in Suno. Before you upload anything, make sure your original audio recording has absolutely no background noise. This part is very important because the cleaner your source clip is, the better the final result will sound. If there's any hiss, room tone, traffic, fan noise, or other unwanted sound in the background, Suno may interpret that as part of the creative input and build around it in ways you don't want. So take a moment to listen carefully to your recording and confirm that it's clean, clear, and isolated. Once your audio is ready, go ahead and upload a clip using the upload audio option. The clip should be between 10 and 30 seconds long. Staying within that range helps give the system enough material to understand the tone and structure of your audio without overwhelming the process. If your clip is too short, there may not be enough information for a strong result. If it's too long, it may not fit the intended workflow as effectively. Choose a section that best represents the sound or musical idea you want to build from. After the clip has been uploaded, select the Extend option. This tells Suno that you want it to continue from your uploaded audio and generate surrounding music that fits naturally with what you provided. The goal here is to create a seamless musical expansion, so starting with the right clip really makes a difference. Next, apply genre tags. This is where you help guide the style of the generated music. Genre tags give Suno creative direction so it can build around your clip in a way that feels more intentional and consistent. For example, the tags you choose can influence the mood, instrumentation, energy, and overall feel of the generated result. Be thoughtful here and use tags that match the sound you want, since this step helps shape the musical context around your original audio. Once those settings are in place, let Suno generate the surrounding music. At this stage, the system uses your clean uploaded clip, the extend function, and the genre tags together to create a continuation